Chromebooks are really great devices that can serve a lot of purposes, and for the most part, they're usually pretty inexpensive. Here at MWC 2019, Lenovo showed off their new 14e Enterprise Chromebook that will go on sale for $280. It's a Chromebook that has a little extra emphasis on education and work purposes, so you're going to find some new Chrome Enterprise and education apps on here. It also has an aluminum design and looks very durable, and from the short time that I spent with the Chromebook, it feels very durable as well. It's got a pretty nice weight to it. It's spill-proof, so if you spill something onto it, it'll funnel out of the vents underneath. And it also meets Lenovo's durability requirements, if that means anything to you. Before I continue, our MWC 2019 coverage is sponsored by Digit Daily, your tech news direct to your inbox. Check the link in the description below to find out more. As for the specs, the Chromebook 14e comes with an AMD dual-core processor, integrated graphics, 8 gigabytes of RAM, up to 64 gigs of storage, a 57 watt-hour battery that's rated for 10 hours of use, and it also has a pretty decent selection of ports with 2 USB Type-C, 2 USB-As, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone jack. The screen on the 14e is a 14-inch full HD display, and there is a version with a touchscreen that you'll be able to buy, but the demo unit that I got to check out did not have a touchscreen. All in all, it's a pretty solid Chromebook with a lot of great features, and like most Chromebooks, it's very affordable. Let us know what you think of the Lenovo 14e Chromebook in the comments below, and keep it tuned here to Android Authority for more coverage of MWC 2019.